Hello, today we are going to study another lecture on Excel, and today we are going to learn how to insert, edit or delete hyperlinks in Excel sheet. This is my Excel learning course where I have added 29 lectures already. If you have not gone through these lectures, you can visit this playlist and check all of the videos. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press like button on this video. Let's get back to the Excel sheet. This is a table, or this is a data where I would show you how to add hyperlinks or links in Excel sheet. For example, I want to link this data or this cell to a specific file or a specific website. I can do it this way. Just click on this particular cell and do right click and click on link option. When you click on this link option, you will get a pop-up box like this, where you have these columns on the side. The first one is existing file or web page. You can link to the existing file in your computer, or you can link to another page on a website. Like I would link here to my YouTube channel. I would get it first of all. I would copy it and then paste it here and then click on OK. When you click on OK, you will have changed the color of the text and it will become a link or a clickable text. You can see the hand picture on it, but you cannot see the hand picture on this text because this does not have a link text. I mean, it does not have a link. So if I click on this, this will get me to my YouTube channel like this. Similarly, if you want to add another link to this cell, you can do it right away like this. Place in this document. If you want to link to a specific place or cell in this particular document, you can do it right. Like you can select sheet with plain header. This is this one, and then sales table, this one, and then sheet. You can refer to a specific cell by writing the cell reference name here. And then we have create new document. You can create a new document by clicking on the link, or you can email. You can add an email option also, like you will write the email address here, the subject here, then here you would have the recently used email addresses. So this is how you add a clickable link to a text or cell in your Excel sheet. So if you want to edit the already added link, you can right click on this particular text and then edit hyperlink. Here you can edit the already added link here, or you can remove this link, like you can click on this remove hyperlink, or you can click on edit hyperlink and then click on remove link, and this will remove the added link on this particular cell. So friends, I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video.